Welcome to this exciting presentation on the incredible integration of Zapier and XTRF. We're here today to dive into the perfect blend of automation and translation management, opening up a world of possibilities for your business. In a fast-paced and interconnected world where time is money, this integration will be your secret weapon for boosting efficiency and getting things done like never before. So get ready to embark on a journey that will transform the way you handle translations and localizations. Let's explore the game-changing potential of Zapier XTRF integration together and revolutionize your workflow like never before. Let's kick off by diving into the incredible world of Zapier. So, what exactly is Zapier? Well, think of it as your personal automation wizard. Zapier is a user-friendly platform that empowers you to create custom integrations without the need for coding skills. That's right, you don't have to be a coding whiz to set up your very own automated workflows. With Zapier, it's all about the no-code approach, making it accessible to anyone who wants to streamline their processes and get things done more efficiently. So, whether you're a tech guru or a non-technical enthusiast, Zapier puts the power of automation right at your fingertips, allowing you to tailor integrations that perfectly suit your unique needs. Before we get to the hands-on part, it's important to add a word about how we want to shape the future of XTRF. We strive for providing the best-in-class solution for translation management, and we want our solution to be at the very center of your business. What that means is we want XTRF to be a hub, a source of truth for not only your project managers, but also for other team members that might use other systems to handle their daily tasks. For example, you want Joanna from accounting to know when the project is ready for invoicing? Sure, here's a MS Teams notification for her. Or maybe you want that project to be automatically added to your external invoicing system? We've got you covered. We don't try to compete where there's no competition needed. XTRF is unmatched when it comes to managing your business. And if you'd like to do things like content management or DTP in the system of your choice, we'll do our best to make your life easier. Let's take a closer look at the possibilities then. After you log in to Zapier, you'll be welcomed with a screen similar to this one. It allows you to create new integrations, called Zaps. Every Zap has the same structure. It starts with a trigger, like a new email was received or a new project was created in XTRF, followed by one or multiple actions. Let's see what it can do. You can organize your Zaps into folders, as you can see on the left-hand side of the screen. For the sake of this presentation, we will use the XTRF Summit folder, but you can create as many as you want. To create a new Zap, click the Create button and select the New Zap option from a drop-down. After a few seconds, you'll be redirected to the Zap Create form, which starts with a selection of triggers. You can choose from almost 6,000 available applications. For this scenario, we're going to choose XTRF. By the time of the recording, this is only available as a closed beta, so if you can't see XTRF on the list, please get in touch with your regional growth manager or our help desk. After I select the latest version of the XTRF Management Systems connector, I'm presented with the available triggers. I'm choosing New Project Created as I want my integration to act whenever this happens. Then, I should choose an account. I already have multiple accounts configured, so I will choose one. If that's your first Zap, you'll be asked to provide the address and the API key. Don't worry, there are step-by-step instructions that you can follow. And of course, this is not limited to one instance of XTRF. You can connect the test and the production instance, swap the instance in the Zap at any time, or even connect two XTRF instances from different companies. Now, Zapier is prompting me to test the trigger. To do that, I should create a new project in my XTRF instance. Go back to this screen and click on Test Trigger. It's only required once when the new Zap is created, and I highly recommend testing the trigger to ensure everything is working as expected. So, the new project was created. After clicking the Test Trigger button, I can see that it was instantly recognized by Zapier and I can proceed safely. There's another advantage to testing triggers and actions. Zapier will present me with the example data in the placeholders, so I can always refer to the live system to make sure I know what's what before activating my automation. I will present a straightforward scenario. I want an event to be added to my calendar for my created project. Again, I can choose from various applications, including XTRF, but I will select Google Calendar in this case. Setting up an action is very similar to setting up a trigger. We need to choose the account, and then we can select the actual automation we want to happen. I'm going with the Create Detailed Event and filling in the necessary fields. Note how I can use the actual data from XTRF in every input. This way, my event will consistently be named the same as my project, and the start dates and deadlines will reflect the fields from my XTRF. Of course, some fields, like to which calendar I want to add the event to, are dynamically populated based on the Google Calendar account I've decided to use. Keep in mind that only some of the fields are required to create a new event. These are marked with an asterisk. Also, as this is a one-trigger, one-action scenario, we only have access to the placeholders from the XTRF project created trigger. If I wanted to add another action, like adding that project as a deal to HubSpot, the Google Calendar data would also be available for me to use in those consecutive actions. Now, I can either add more actions or click on Publish to deploy my integration, and it's really that simple. You can probably imagine how to solve your use case with this powerful tool. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please mind that Zapier is a third-party tool, and XTRF is not responsible, nor has an influence on Zapier's terms and conditions or pricing.